Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year's, welcome to 2023. Hope you guys had a good New Year's Eve party and has a nice looking Corvette right there. So just wanted to make a little quick video today since it's nice out. It's about like 58 now, probably should be like 60 at the highest, and then 62 tomorrow, so definitely going to be going out tomorrow again. Just wanted to make a quick little video today talking about some of my plans for this new year, some of my resolutions. I guess sounds corny, but you know, I guess it's nice to have some goals set in mind, so you know you can try to push yourself to achieve them. So first of all, I just want to pretty much get out of my comfort zone more. You know, if you start doing too much of the same like things, you'll just only be used to that, and then you'll be I don't know, you just won't really want to try new things because you're so used to, you just feel like safe in doing one thing. But you know, I want to get out there, get out of my comfort zone. You know, definitely want to go explore more, go further on the bike, travel more, do things I normally wouldn't do. You know, you never know something until you try it, I guess. But let's go down here. You never know how something's gonna turn out unless you try it. So you know, good things could happen, or you know, bad things, but you know, you never know unless you try. So definitely want to get out of my comfort zone, explore more, get over some of my general anxiety and stuff like that. That's the biggest thing, is just try newer things. So and with that being in like real life or with motorcycles, I want to learn even more about motorcycles than I already do now. Maybe try riding a bunch of different types of motorcycles, because you know, you learn a lot more about bikes by riding a bunch of different ones than if you just keep riding the same type of bike over and over again. You just get more experience, which is good. Right now, the only experience I have really is with the naked Kawasaki Z400, and then this bike, the Loretta S, and then the Loretta ST. Two cruisers. One's like a bagger, I guess, and then obviously the ST, and then you got this one. I guess I'm gonna go left. I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm just trying to explore. So yeah, try new bikes. Maybe if they have any demo days near me, at any dealerships, go out there and, you know, test ride some new bikes. Before I couldn't do that because I didn't have my license yet or my endorsement, so, and you need that to test ride the bike. So now that I have it, it'll be kind of cool. I can go out and test ride new bikes that, you know, I normally wouldn't ride, because I'm not gonna buy a bike. So right now, another bike. I have no idea where I'm at. Actually, that's a lie. I know exactly where I'm at, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, just try new things. That included, you know, I like watching those thing where people go and try different like foods and stuff like that while riding. Definitely might want to do something like that, you know, because usually if I'm getting food, I'm either ordering food into like the house, or I'm going through like a drive-through. Unless I'm with like people, then I'll go in the restaurant. But you know, I want to start getting out of my comfort zone, like I said, and trying things that I normally want to do, and just build my confidence up even more. Motorcycling has definitely helped a lot with that, so that's a good thing. But yeah, those are my big things, you know, just get out of my shell more, try different things. You don't be afraid of like the outcomes, stuff like that. Just give it your best, and then that's it, because I guess you'll regret not trying. Actually, I want to go to the right. I know if I don't do anything or try anything, then I'll regret it. Because you're just thinking about what could have been or what if. So definitely want to do that more. But yeah, just having a good time in this new year. So glad that it's a nice 58-degree day today, so I can get out, ride the Harley, have a good old time. Cause yeah, I mean, I don't know, if it was like snowing and stuff, oh man, I'd be so miserable indoors. Wouldn't know what to make a video on or anything, so it's a good thing I could still ride right now. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on the New Year's and all of that, and my resolutions and stuff I'm gonna try to do this year. And hope you guys have a good one, and see you in the next video.